Hi, this is John with WTI. And as I'm always trying to have a gum around me, maybe it's a savior before you start speaking to other people. But having a great option like this five spearmint gum with without any sugar at all is a great one. And let me tell you why. First of all, one of the major issues that I would have with gum is that the taste and the freshness is not going to be there for too long. But the fact that this spearmint flavor is actually long lasting, the taste is great. You're going to have this ease of mind that you're not going to be eating sugar and sugar and sugar. But there's one little detail that I like the most from this is the fact that it gives your smell a red, fresh, and nice smell. I've talked to people and I've even given to some of my friends with this, and they said, I'm going to start buying some of this because the taste is great. It's like you put it there in your pocket and you're just going to do the work perfectly. So, this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.